A fantastic Restomod that delivers on every level. The sweet 71 Camaro is the kind of car you simply cannot ignore. It cruises like a champ, charges like a bull, and oozes the style and class that made second-gen F-bodies the stuff of legend. During its thorough reboot, this fully sorted Camaro was massaged into a tough profile that's straight and exceptionally solid. Once that prep was complete, a rich combination of burgundy and charcoal two-stage was traced in silver divider stripes. The rear bumper centers a small camera below a polished trunk lock, while polished rockers reflect classy LS3 fender badging. Up front, a sculpted cowl induction hood shades clear parking lamps and a monochromatic SS grille emblem. And choice Rally Sport aesthetics include split bumpers, dual spoilers, and chrome trim taillights. Open the long doors and you'll find a tastefully upgraded interior that's stylish and very livable. The front passengers enjoy tall racing buckets that are laced with 5-point safety harnesses. A monochromatic dash hangs modern gauges over vintage air climate control and modern direct fit audio. Clean carpet centers a tall armrest between a small fire extinguisher and a polished shifter, and the driver traces the road through a simple Grant steering wheel on a tilting column. Pop this coupe's steel hood and you'll find a 6.2-liter LS3 small block rated at 525 horsepower. That fuel-injected all-aluminum mill sends power through a Tremec 5-speed manual back to a fabricated 9-inch with 389 gears and posi traction. Who doesn't want a second-gen Camaro that's better than new in virtually every way? Thanks to its quality restoration, this stylish coupe retains authentic muscle car feel while adding proven components to an already awesome ownership experience. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.